What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Nobori Auto video.
Backyard.
My name's Sean.
I'm Darylyn.
And today we're working on the Forester again.
We're gonna do a bunch of fun crap. We waited 3 months for this. Time to unbox it. This, my friends, is an HKS exhaust. We got this HKS exhaust to replace the stock exhaust with because we like the tone a little bit better. It frees up some air and it's mega JDM. Okay, let's get started installing. Ugh. Ah! Watch these videos, you know that every time I work on my car, I hurt myself braking torque, like without fail, every single time. And this is the first time that I haven't hurt myself braking torque. All right, I just took out the bolts and now Sean's gonna take out the rubber hangers.
Bringing in the muscle.
Old man making noise.
Okay, if you don't have one of these, best tool ever. Todd and I got one for Christmas.
Todd got one too?
Yeah.
You okay?
And I was even flexing to prepare myself for it.
You all right?
Did abs yesterday. Stock exhaust is out and
look at the size difference of that thing. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop.
here's everything that they gave us, a little accessory kit. They have nuts and bolts in here, but I like the OEM ones better. Just the style of them, so I'm going to use OEM over these. I'll save these for a later use for another project.
Check out the sticker. JDM.
Do you want it on the car?
That's up to you. I mean, yeah.
Heck yeah.
I mean, yeah.
How's the freaking workout? The heck, why am I so out of shape? COVID was good to me in my belly. Yeah, Darylyn's showing my Crocs and socks action.
Yeah. Ah! This doesn't even move.
Yeah, it's because all the wheels are broken. I have to go get new ones.
All right, we're gonna put the exhaust gasket in and then bolt it back together.
Are you the Monopoly man?
Oh yeah. Go on home. You pass go. $200. You always got to put anti-seize on these guys.
Punch yourself in the face.
All right, time for Sean to tighten these with his muscles. These don't even roll. Like and subscribe so we can get new creepers. This creeper, what in the heck is happening right there? Look at this thing.
Hey, in all fairness,
this doesn't roll.
In all fairness, these creepers were from when I first started my original company in 2010 in Colorado.
Okay, well that explains
10 years.
it.
10 years they've lasted me.
Like, oh my god.
Whole time.
This whole time?
For anyone who's wondering, the torque specs on this are pretty freaking tight. That's my torque spec for pretty much everything. I learned that torque. Whoa.
You just hit yourself in the face.
No, I didn't, but I saw my life flash before my eyes. I learned that torque spec from the Marines, but they would say pretty effing, like,
The F word.
I don't curse, so.
Pretty freaking tight. The exhaust is now installed. Time to fire up.
Freaking newbie. I forgot the keys.
Thank you.
And that's why the Nabori family loves HKS parts.
HKS parts! Stadium for life! Sean likes Japanese things, obviously. Alright, I'm gonna give my reaction because I only heard it from inside the car, but I want to hear it from back here, inhaling all the exhaust. Yep. Whoa! It sounds so much nicer. Like it's just a fuller sound. It just sounds so much better. It freaked me out a little bit.
It pops.
I had my head right by it. That
Putting your ear up to it.
I'm not the brightest bulb in the drawer.
But yeah, so, and exhaust to me, I don't know, it's my opinion, maybe science, they sound different under load, like when you're actually driving, than they do when you're not under load and just revving right here. So we're about to head to Chili's.
Chili's baby back ribs.
For date night. So we'll kind of get an idea, and we may, I don't know, should we just go do like a little...
Yeah. Whatever he's gonna say, yeah.
Let's just do a little launch in the backyard.
Here?
Yeah, like right here to over there.
A launch?
Yeah, no. Probably not a good idea. Okay, I'll cut that out.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, we'll get like an in-vehicle reaction.
We'll do a launch somewhere.
There is freaking anti-seize on it's on the camera even.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
Anti-seize.
we'll get a launch while we're out, because we're super hungry. Well, at least I am.
Yeah, I am hungry.
Yeah, so...
How do you hold this thing? My
So
arm
thanks
is
for watching,
tired.
guys. We really appreciate you.
We do. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, follow us. Nabori Gear.
It's over here.
Oh, whoops. Nabori Gear.
Nabori Gear. What is Nabori Gear?
Nabori
Nabori Auto Merch?
Gear. Gear.
No. Yeah, gear.
Merch.
Nabori Gear. Okay, I definitely need some new Crocs.
Yeah, it's time. Sean's got some Croc slippers.
Yeah, with like fuzzy stuff on the inside.
Yep.
Okay, but seriously, we do appreciate you guys and all that you do.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. And we'll see you guys on the next one. I seriously get stuck with cleanup duty on every job that we do. What the heck, man? Yeah, so I rolled down the window and tried hearing the exhaust, and you hear the engine over the exhaust. So after we eat and fill our bellies, then we will film a launch
In the parking lot.
at the Holiday Inn.
Chilling at the Holiday Inn.
Me and my homies and the Boreato friends. We took a really long time eating, and then we went to Barnes & Noble after, so now it's dark. But we're back here in an alley alongside the highway to do a launch video. So here we go.
Woo! Right, Sean. Driving over boxes. I don't know why he chose there to turn around.
I have to test its off-road ability too.
Sounds so good. Like it just sounds so clean. I I don't know if that's like the descriptive word that people use, but clean. It sounds clean. Refined.